This rain cover saved our day at Disney World. I have to show it to you. So the front of the panel is completely see-through. So you're going to put it over your stroller. Now mine is a tripod stroller with a single wheel in the front, but it will also work if you have a single stroller with 4 wheels. Now on the back, you'll put these 2 side flaps around this back flap so that there's not any area where water can leak through, and this velcros together. So it makes a very nice snug fit. And then on the side, you'll see that there is a ventilation panel. You can either leave it open or Velcro it closed. Now, we used this in a literal hurricane at Disney, and I left the panel open, and it was totally fine. Rain did not leak in. On the front, you'll see here my favorite feature are these straps that can either attach to the front legs of your stroller if you have 2, or under the middle if you have 1, so that it stays on tight and the wind is not going to blow it away. So if you're in the market for a very great value stroller cover that's going to save your day, this is absolutely one I would recommend.